So when can you get out here to do the work? Hi, I'm Max Vogelsang here with Van Martin Roofing. One of the most common questions we hear after a homeowner decides to move forward is, when can you get out here to do the work? Let's talk about what happens next and why we never rush what matters most. Our schedule typically runs about 2 to 4 weeks from the time you sign your agreement, though that can shift depending on things like weather, material availability, and the size or complexity of your project. We know that when you've made the decision to replace your roof, you're ready to get it done, and you want it done right. So instead of giving you a vague promise, we want you to know exactly what to expect before you move forward with Van Martin. Here's how the process works. Step 1, review and material ordering. Once you sign your agreement, our production team immediately reviews all the details. Everything from roof pitch to material color to any special components like skylights or ventilation upgrades. We then place orders for your specific materials so that when your scheduled day arrives, everything we need is ready to go. We don't believe in winging it or cutting corners with substitutions. Step 2. Scheduling and confirmation. Next, we'll assign you an installation week based on our current workload and the type of system being installed. You'll receive a clear timeline and we'll stay in touch every step of the way because roofing is weather dependent and there may be occasional adjustments. But here's the difference with Van Martin Roofing. If weather delays your project, we'll communicate proactively, not leaving you guessing. The week before your install, our team will call or text to confirm your date, review prep details, and make sure everything is set for a smooth start. Step 3 is installation day and follow-up. When installation day comes, you'll have our full focus. We'll never overload our schedule or stack jobs just to rush through them. Your home will have a dedicated crew and project manager from start to finish. This ensures consistency, communication, and craftsmanship. After the job is complete, we'll conduct a full inspection and walkthrough with you to make sure every detail meets Van Martin standards and yours. At the end of the day, we'd rather schedule right and deliver flawlessly than rush a job just to check a box. When it's your turn, you'll have our full attention, full crew, and full commitment to getting it done right the first time. So, are you ready to find out when we can get your roof scheduled? Click the link in our bio to book a free inspection and get your custom project timeline today.